In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset IC Markets demo account. Here's the simple truth up front. There isn't a universal one-button reset for an IC Markets demo in most cases, but you still have two quick ways to start fresh. The first is to top up or set a new virtual balance on your existing demo, and the second, and best, is to create a brand new demo account for a complete reset. To refresh the balance on your current demo, log into your IC Markets client area. Head to the Accounts section, then Open Demo Accounts. Find the specific demo account you want to reuse. On that account, look for an option labeled Add Funds or a Set Balance field if it's shown. Use that to choose the amount of virtual money you want and confirm. Within a moment, your demo updates with the new balance, so you can continue testing from a clean monetary starting point. This approach is fast and keeps your platform connection intact, but keep in mind it usually doesn't clear your trade history or statistics on the same login. Also, the Add Funds or Set Balance option may not appear for every platform type or for every demo. So if you don't see it in your client area, just use the second method. For a full reset that wipes the slate clean, create a new demo. From the same client area, click Open New Account and choose Demo. Select your preferred platform like MT4, MT5, or cTrader, set the starting balance, pick your leverage, and create the account. That's it. You'll have a completely fresh demo with new virtual funds and no prior trade history. You can create multiple demo accounts at any time, which makes it easy to keep separate environments for different strategies or market conditions. A few important notes before you go. Demo accounts can expire after roughly 30 days of inactivity, so if one stops working, just open a new demo and keep going. Availability of the reset or balance tools can vary by platform and by account, so don't worry if the exact button names look slightly different in your client area. To recap, if you only need more virtual funds on the same login, add funds or set the balance from your client area when available. If you want a true reset with a clean history, create a new demo account and choose the platform, balance, and leverage that fit your testing plan.